I am the owner of this place. Others call me Mother Nature. I'm just evolving and just configuring the species that has been surrounding me. How you change and destroy me? It doesn't really matter to me. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I am preparing to evolve. I don't need people. People needed me. Our world today is different from the past world. Trees are being cut down to make buildings and other furniture. Smoke from vehicles and factories are everywhere. Waste and garbage are scattered all around. The world has been started to evolve like it has been washed up, devastated, and has been ruined. Some of the species that can be balanced are Mother Nature is starting to extinct and we people even don't care.
So hello guys, kanang namin diri karon para manghindo because we have to save our Mother Nature for a better future. So let's go guys. So wala may trash bag no kay ang trash bag dili siya available karon sa among giadtuan nga store. So nag-prefer na lang mi nga isulod ang siya cellophane but we promise to dispose it properly. Go.
In order to make our lives more comfortable and our surrounding more amazing, we should start to figure out what's wrong. Peace begins with ourselves, and as we respect ourselves, we also should respect our Mother Nature. Let us all work together as one group, one blood, one team, one goal. A goal that suits for everyone, a peaceful, clean, and worry-free environment. Start within yourself. Afterwards, start to educate others. Teach them on what will happen if we will continue to ruin our Mother Nature. And also, teach them if what will happen if we people will love and take care of it instead of doing things that are not good. Move hurriedly, people. We need to save our Mother Nature. We people should grow. We should be mature in taking our responsibilities to care and develop what God has given us. He gave this to us and we should give importance to all of His creation. Be a good citizen. Stop throwing your garbages everywhere. Instead, throw this in the proper place. Help one another. Participate in tree planting activities. Join clean-up drives. Join to the organization which promotes environmental care. Join seminars that educates people on what to do in order to take care of our Mother Nature.
Observation nga nung ang Philippines po nakita ba kay tungod na ng kwan kana nang pamataka o lagay basura o kana nang mga cutting down trees o pagmimina kanang para malikayan ang mga baha kay operate lang tata sa paglabay basura kay na naman tay gina-program karon nga kwan karang ibahinon ang malata o di malata kay especially ang di malata kay kuan jud kanang mugi magbara-bara sa kwan mga kanal bukod
Experience ako na magbasa mo kay doon naman sa kulangay dito sa Ganmilos. Dali na kayo magbaha diri sa Valencia kay ang mga tawo karon di na sila kabalo mag proper waste disposal. So asa na nila ginalabay ang ilang mga sagbot, labi na mga cellophane na ginakaon. So sila maglahi sila malata dili malata. Dayon kining dili sila magpatakag labay bisag asa.